Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to show you banana stem kosambari. This is something we prepare in South. It's a salad that we normally serve during lunch. For a marriage lunch party, we would serve this banana stem salad. I'll be listing all the ingredients required for this recipe in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For this recipe, I'll be using banana stem, split mung beans or moong dal, grated fresh coconut, lime, finely chopped coriander and curry leaves, peeled, deseeded and finely chopped cucumber, grated carrot. We would also require peanuts, which I'll be dry roasting and using in this recipe. For the tempering, we'll use split black gram dal, mustard seeds and asafoetida. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I'm going to start with showing you how my mother cleans this banana stem. I've shown this how to clean banana stem in practically all the banana stem recipe videos. So this is a very fibrous vegetable, and this is mainly used in South India. We use every part of the banana plant, and especially the banana stem is a very favorite vegetable for South Indians. We prefer using this because it reduces all this kidney issues, and people practically prepare it at least twice in a week. The cleaning process is a bit tough, so that's what I'm showing you. My mother is starting to remove all the bark because it's got a very hard shell bark portion that we have to remove first, and then we have to scrape out all the fibrous strings. So once we cannot use a potato peeler, unfortunately, we have to do we have to use a knife, sharp knife, and remove all the fibers. It's just like peeling or removing the hard fibers from the string beans, because you cannot eat beans with that hard fiber strings. You have to remove it and then cook it. So this is what she is doing. She is trying to remove all the bark and the fibrous strings, and she is trying to get into the center core or the very tender portion of the banana stem. You have to follow this process and remove all the excess bark and all the excess fibrous strings. Unless you prepare it at home and you try it for yourself once or twice, you will not achieve the proper consistency. You have to try it at home. But this is a very wonderful and tasty vegetable. Once you prepare this vegetable, you'll keep preparing it regularly and you'll really enjoy it. So we first cut it into coins, and as we are cutting it, we are going to drop it in the water, because it will, the vegetable, when you cut this vegetable, it will turn light brown color or dark in color, which we want to avoid. We want to retain the white color. So now you can see, as she is cutting it into small coins, there are a lot of hard fiber. She is peeling it out. Normally in South India, what we do is we also make a buttermilk bath, and we put this chopped vegetable in that buttermilk so that it softens a bit. So whenever we prepare this recipe, we also prepare buttermilk using this banana stem. It's very tasty. Someday I'll be showing it. I have already posted a smoothie recipe using banana stems. You can visit. I'll post the link in the description, or I'll post it in the iCard above this video. You have to follow this step though, and you have to prepare the smoothie or the banana stem buttermilk. It's very tasty. Now once we finish chopping the banana stem into coins, we have stacked it and we are chopping it into matchsticks and then into fine pieces. If you're preparing banana stem for the first time, try to follow these steps and try to clean the banana stem accordingly. You'll really enjoy it. It's very nice and tasty. We have added the finely chopped banana stem to a different pot of water. Now I'll be adding 1/2 lime to this. This will ensure that the stem does not decolor, and it will soften a bit. It will also enhance the fragrance in the banana stem. So it will be very nice and fragrant, lime flavored. I'll add the lime, allow this to soak for 15 minutes before I start preparing the salad. So I've added the lime, given it a good mix. 15 minutes to half an hour's time you have to cover it and allow it to soak. You can also use buttermilk. I've also washed the moong dal or the mung beans, split mung beans. I washed it thrice and I have soaked it. Now this should double in size. This will also soak for 15 minutes. I've just placed a cover and allowed it to soak for 15 minutes. Now this banana stem has soaked and it has softened a bit. At this point I'll be draining it. You have to drain all of that excess moisture using a colander or a fine mesh sieve. Drain out all that excess moisture and place it on a plate which is lined with paper towel. And even this mung beans, it has doubled in size. I'm going to drain it and reserve it. Drain out all of that excess water and reserve it. I'll start dry roasting the peanuts. I've heated a wok on medium flame and added the peanuts, and I'm going to dry roast this on low to medium flame. I kept stirring it constantly, and now the peanuts have dry roasted. I'll be transferring it to a plate and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Now once the peanuts have cooled for 10 minutes, I'm just going to crush it with my hands itself, you can see, and the peel is easily coming off, and even the peanuts are splitting in half. So you just have to rub it in your hands, and all that dry roasted peel will remove easily. This is how I dry roast the peanuts at home. You just have to blow that excess peel, and you can reserve the peanuts. So you can see this dry roasted peanuts are ready. Now we'll prepare the tempering. I've heated a wok with 2 tablespoons of oil. Now to the oil I've added mustard seeds and black gram dal. I'll fry till the dal turns light brown in color, and I've switched off the flame. And I've also added asafoetida. Once I've added the asafoetida, you can see that dal is still cooking in that oil once the flame is switched off. Don't place it on high flame, otherwise your dal will burn. Now I'll reserve the tadka as well. In a mixing bowl, I've started to add the split mung beans that I've drained and reserved. I've added the finely chopped banana stem. Finely chopped cucumber. Finely chopped carrot. I've added finely chopped coriander and curry leaves. Normally for this recipe we don't use onion. It's just these set of ingredients that we use. I've added the peanuts and salt as per taste. And I'm going to give this a good mix. Finally, I'm also going to be adding a little bit of lime juice just to finish it off. And I've also added grated coconut. Now I'll be giving this a good mix, and I kept tasting it for salt, and as required I've added the salt. And we also need to add the tempering. We can chill this salad ahead of time and serve it chilled. The recipe in detail will be posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also visit me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I've gone ahead and served this banana stem kosambari. It turned out really good. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Even our neighbors enjoyed it. I gave it to them. They really enjoyed it and appreciated it. So it was a very good and healthy recipe. Give this recipe a try and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.